Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install custom LED lamp notifications on your TCL 30SE. So in order to do that, let's open our Google Play Store, and here we'll need to search for Notify Body. Hit the search button and then select this app. Now install it. After installation process is complete, we'll be able to open our app. Move to the next step, grant all permissions. First one is phone permission and then allow, then grant overlay permission, find Notify Body, click on it and then allow display over the other apps. Now let's move back and grant notification permission, find Notify Body and allow notification access and then allow again. This option is optional, you don't need to disable it. But if the app doesn't work properly, you might consider that. Now let's move to the next step and press OK. From here you can see 4 tabs below here, and these are user, system, active and settings. On the user you can find all the apps to enable for the custom notifications, so I'm just gonna pick Facebook right here. In the system you can find all system apps bound to the software, and in active you can find all active apps that you just enabled. In the settings you can customize your LED lamp by changing its size, shape, place on the screen, color, or time between blinking. Almost everything about this LED can be changed, but some of the settings are locked behind Premium. Now in order to see how it's gonna look like, let's press this test button and we'll be able to see this LED lamp notifications. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.